One of the most important parts of our R&D is the question how to convert waste to usable substances and to gain energy at the same time. So we focus on the treatment of sludges like sewage sludge or other, which can be converted to a combustible gas without need of pre-drying them. And this can also be done in small, decentralized facilities. That means there is no need to transport the waste stream to long distances up to a central facility. We do that with a process called gasification under the conditions of supercritical water. The sludge will be pumped continuously into a system of reactor heat exchangers and will react under high temperatures and high pressures with the water, and the whole organic matter will be gasified. We will have a product gas consisted of hydrogen, methane, and some ethane. We can separate the CO2, we can separate the nutrients of the biomass like phosphorus, like nitrogen, and the other elements. If you have a feed, an adduct, which can be easily gasified in a biogas plant, and then of course you can perform this step. But several sludges cannot be treated further biological, and they need a thermochemical treatment in order to destroy the DNA of some dangerous bacteria or other substances. And this can be done by the process I mentioned. We operate the first pilot plant for this process, and everybody can visit us and see that the technology really works. There are some new companies which start at this time to plan the first technical applications of this process. So I am sure on a short term, in the next 2 or 3 years, you can buy such a plant for your application and solve your problem. Every application will need also some R&D work because it is a decentralized solution, and so there will be some small adaptations necessary to the specific feed, to the specific application. So KIT is open to perform this necessary part of R&D work to optimize the process for the specific application. This fascinating technology will be applied in the next couple of years, and I hope this will help to solve a part of the problems which are very important for the society today. To help to solve the problem of disposal of wastes, to help to reduce a little the problem of the energy supply in our society, and to reduce at the same time the CO2 emissions.